Yunzii B75 PROMAX. I also get the Yunzii M1 mouse, but the mouse review will be dropped after 20 likes on this video. Have there a black clean box. Let's open the box. We can see the user manual with user guide, and we have there a dust protection with the our keyboard. Under the keyboard we have an extra keycap, and there is the accessories. That's all what we have inside. Yunzii B75 PROMAX has a 75% form factor. On the left and the right sides we have a clear keycaps that we can see the construction. The material is very pleasant to touch. Opening the accessories, there we have a cable with puller. Yunzii. The cable is from USB to USB-C. There we have a pink switches. Let's listen the sound. Extra keycaps. Every keycap has a unique design. I will try it a little later. The keyboard can connect from 3 methods, with cable with 2.4 kHz and with Bluetooth. I just connected the keyboard. The RGB looks amazing. On the top we have a mini screen with sound roller, but we're gonna talk about later. Now let's listen the typing sound. The typing with pink candy switches is awesome. Now let's open the official website of Yunzii. Press software again. If you have a Windows OS, you can just download the software, but I have the Mac OS, that's why I have to download the JSON file and open the VIA website. But the Windows OS can use it too. Opening the website, press connect, choose our keyboard, choose connect the keyboard, press the settings and make sure to turn on show design tab. And after go to page and choose our JSON file that we download before. Now it's ready, we can adjust everything. Now I wanna talk about the mini screen. We have to open the second website, and there we have a picture settings and GIF settings. We can put our photo or our GIF to mini screen of keyboard. We can adjust the brightening, we can adjust the speed. And here is the how the GIF looks like. It's just random GIF what I found. And there is my Minecraft skin, its picture. The keyboard absolutely looks crazy. There is some random GIF. The best part of this keyboard is his RGB. It looks insane. Now let's try to put custom keycaps. I'm replacing the enter keycap with the coffee keycap. I am replacing the arrow keycaps with the croissant, coffee and tea and with bread. And the keyboard still looks great. Replacing the F keycap to ice cream cup. I can't talk about keycaps on limited time because the design looks insane. Its clear design makes sense. If you like it, let me know in comments which feature you liked most.